What's up guys, we are back again with another video. The Galaxy S22 series is right around the corner and we are going to see the S22 Ultra will be selling like a hot cake. Also, we are going to be talking about the US pricing for the upcoming Galaxy S22 series. But before that, if you are new here on the channel, do consider subscribing it for daily tech video. Also hit the bell icon as well so you can get the daily notification of my videos. So guys, moving forward, we already know the European pricing for the upcoming Galaxy S22 series, and for the most part, it's going to be remain the same as the S21 series. We are going to see 799 euros for the S22, 899 for the S22 Plus, and a massive 1100 euros for the S22 Ultra. But in terms of US pricing, there is going to be a difference here. According to the leak information coming from a Google survey, the upcoming US pricing for the Galaxy S22 series are going to be $899 for the base S22, $1099 for the S22 Plus, and a massive $1299 for the S22 Ultra, which is kind of ridiculous. It's going to be $100 for each device that has been increased. And I'm not happy if Samsung is retaining that pricing for its upcoming S22 series. And despite having a higher price tag, there are certainly many chances that the upcoming S22 Ultra is going to be selling like a hot cake. The reason is simple. Like, we didn't see any Note device in last year. Most of the loyal Note fans wanted to have a device which has a built-in stylet inside, so they are probably going to buy or upgrade from their Note 20 Ultra devices to the S22 Ultra. Also, Samsung Galaxy S series fans who wanted to upgrade from their last model like S20 Ultra or S21 Ultra will probably go for that particular device, which definitely means Samsung is combining both the S series and the Note series fan in order to make them sell only one device, which makes logic that both of those fans will probably increase the sale of the upcoming S22 Ultra, and it's going to be sell like a hotcake. This combination also bring another important news that 70% of the upcoming S22 series devices will be the S22 Ultra, where rest of them are going to be S22 and S22 Plus, which also clearly indicates that Samsung is also wanting the S22 Ultra to be a successful device. And the pricing for the S22 and S22 Plus might not be justified by Samsung because there is not going to be any much of improvement in that. You will see it's going to be coming with a similar design, and also you see there is going to be few minor changes that are coming inside the S22 and S22 Plus. So the pricing about the S22 and S22 Plus is ridiculous. And for the pricing of the US, take this leak as a pinch of salt because nothing has been confirmed yet. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What are your thoughts on the pricing? Do consider subscribing my channel for daily tech video. Thanks for watching. Peace.